Guys, welcome back to the channel. Ruby here. So I come across a gold mine. I come across antique. I'm so sorry, you guys. You know, when I love something, I really have that really nice smile and I really appreciate a good things when I see one. Okay, so this is a hair grease that I used years ago when I was in my 20s, and it was recommended to me. I was living here. I wasn't living in Jamaica at the time. I was living in the Cayman Island. And a friend told me about this hair grease and I bought it and I used it and I did love this hair grease when I first started to use it. I forgot all about it until some time ago. I come across this hair grease again and I said, you know what? This is something that I am going to revisit in my hair. So I was looking on Amazon and I saw it there, which had a more bigger price than if I would get it here, because I didn't even know that this hair grease sell in Canada. I have never seen it here before. Okay, so I asked somebody in Jamaica to see if they could get it out there and bring it to me. But then yesterday I went outside, you guys, and I saw this hair grease again. So I called the person. I said, do not bother to buy the hair grease that I asked you to buy in Jamaica, because I got two bottles here. When I went into the store, it was an African store, it was a gentleman there, and I said hello and I asked him and he said, you know, I only have two left. And I said to him, okay, give me the two. And one of this product was like 10.99, so I just picked up the two because I don't know when I'm gonna see this again. And if you ask me, the hair grease that I'm talking about today is the original Morgan pomade, and it was made since 1873. That was way before I born. This is really like an oldie but goodie. It was also like an antique that is out there for so long. So I end up picked up the two, you guys. So let's talk about this. So it have 100 gram here. It also the original. And I don't know if they have the fake one out there, because sometimes people do carry fake pro, but this is not the fake one. This is the real one. And this one is simple take the gray hair away. Now, let's talk about gray. I have gray. I have been graying a long time ago. But I wasn't applying nothing for gray, because at the end of the day, I was young. Now I get older and I do not like grays, and it's option of not liking grays. I'm not saying that grays is not beautiful. It is beautiful. I see some beautiful gray hair out there and people embrace their hair. Maybe one day I would embrace mine. But for right now, I like to add color to my hair. No, I'm not saying that I am going to use this for gray. One of the reasons why I'm going to use this gray is because I did love it at the time, and I'm sure that I'm going to love it again. And because it gave my hair that really nice shine, really nice moisturizing. The grease is not too thick, it's not too cakey, it's not too sticky. It's just right, and it smells great. So here you have made in in England, UK. Here you have it created 1873 here, and it also have a logo. So whenever, if you're going to try to find this grease, look for this logo. This is the original Morgan pomade, you guys. Now this is the person, I think, that recovered this grease. This is, and this, you can see this picture. It's a long time picture. It's very old. You can see there. It also have it also tell you how to use this grease in your hair, and it also tell you that it registered in London 1873. Now it's sold over 50 country. 50 country, you guys, it's sold. And it also let you know that you must gently darken gray without the use of conversity dye. An oil base pomade containing natural beeswax and moisturize and nourish the hair style. Moisturize and nourish the hairstyle by repairing damage and encourage hair growth. So this is what it also said here. Let's show you it, you guys, what it also said here. It also said that if you allergic to it or it go in your eyes, you must wash your eyes right away. Test your product, guys, before you use it, because some of us have really sensitive skin, and it's best for you to test that product before you apply it to your skin. Also, me, the time when I used it years ago, I didn't test it. I just tried it out on my skin. I wasn't allergic to it. It didn't break me out or anything. I don't have sensitive skin. I can use anything on my skin and get away with it. Thank you, God. Yeah, I can use anything and get away with it. It does not break me out. I never remember, I think when I was younger, one time I had my face, like my face was breakable, but I didn't know what caused it. And then I have to go to, there was a soap sell in Jamaica, you call it the Blue Magic Cake Soap. And that was the thing I used years ago to really put on my face to take away the rash out of my face. But otherwise from that, I'm not allergic to nothing. As I said, I didn't know what really give me that allergic at the time. So this grease, it expired in 2026. So I have 2 year, 3 year to use up this stuff. So if you buy one, as long as you use it, it won't expire on you, guys. This is like, to me, is like revisit it again and re-seeing it is like one of my dream come true in hair grease, because I already tried this hair grease and I did love it. As I said, I do not have tall hair. I'm not looking for tall hair. I'm just looking for my hair to be maintained, like healthy, thick, moisturized. That's what I'm looking for in my hair. I'm in age. Sometimes when you get older, your whole body change, your hair change. So I'm not looking for that. I am going to revisit this grease. I am going to try it out in my hair. So this is the ingredients, you guys. Let's put it close to the camera so you can see all the ingredients here that are in this grease. Let's hold it up for you to see it. Hopefully you can read it and see it. Okay, so I I'm not really going to read it. As I said, my glasses is over 3 years and I need different glasses. So I'm working on that one, okay? But also, let's show you how this grease. And the funniest thing about it, I don't have one, I have two, you guys. Two. So this lasts me for a long time. I don't have to look for this for a long time. By the time I finish using this, I may end up come across it again. Like how you would go into the beauty supply and see all these other grease. I never saw this in the beauty supply. Maybe they carry it, I don't know. But it come into a dark bottle. And this is a glass bottle, you guys. And it had this silver top and it also have the margan pomade. It also have this here, the signature for the margan pomade, so you know that this one is not fake. I call it the signature. And it also show you how it look in the jar. So this is how it look, you guys, in the jar. And as I said, when I do apply this, try this to my hair feel great. It feel amazing. It's not too greasy, it's not too sticky, it's not too cakey. It's just really, really, really light product. I love the sense of it. It's like I can just sit down and keep putting it to my nose and smell it. It smells great. So let's show you how it is on the back of my hand. And you know, some grease, you use it and after using it, you can really see that stickiness or greasiness. This is not like it, just have this shine. So whenever I did try this in my hair was more of a shiny, moisturizing, feel really, really nice, easy to comb through. That was what, when I started you this years ago, that was what I get from it. So it said here that rub the margin pomade well into the root evenly over your hair. Brush as usual. Apply daily until your desired color is up is obtained. I have tried to is obtained. Then continue as required. For external use only, avoid all contact with eyes. Wash hand after use. If irritation develop, that means if you have any breakout or anything, discontinue use. Keep it out of the reach of children. So, you guys, I have two, and I am so grateful that I come across it again. I just want to say, if I don't get to see you before the new year, I just want to wish you all a happy new year. God bless you and stay safe throughout the new year and stay beautiful as always. Remember to subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next upload. God bless you. I love you as always and I see you soon. Bye for now.